How to beat the pharmaceutical competition, Part 3. Friends, before we begin, I request you to watch the complete video and subscribe to the channel for more valuable insights. Now let's talk about the most crucial aspect where your team's USP, unique selling proposition, will help you the most, delivering your product message. Imagine you have developed an innovative, first-time-in-Pakistan product in your pharma company. But who will take this message to doctors? Your team, if your team lacks in-depth product knowledge, confidence, or an understanding of why your product is superior, how it works, and how to position it against competitors. Can this product succeed in the market? Absolutely not. Now, let's consider another scenario. Suppose your product is average, but you focus on your team's development, enhancing their product knowledge, selling skills, and persuasion techniques. If you continuously train them on how to differentiate even an average product in doctors' chambers, mark my words, your confident team will sell that product successfully. This proves that while product innovation is essential, team development is even more important. The next critical area where your team becomes your biggest USP is strategy implementation. Let's say you have created a first-time-in-Pakistan or a highly complex strategy, but if your team does not understand its execution, challenges, or how to engage doctors, that strategy will fail. However, if you develop your team's relationship building, communication, and overall professional skills, you will notice that even a simple strategy can yield outstanding results, sometimes outperforming even the most unique or complex strategy. Many pharma entrepreneurs argue that the market is all about give and take, and that doctors focus less on scientific strategy. To them, I say, even give and take requires proper planning and a systematic approach. If you fail to strategize and structure this process, you will struggle to get the desired ROI, return on investment. Because success in any business requires skills, and even in give and take, execution matters. The performance of a medical representative in the doctor's chamber is critical to a pharma company's success. I have seen many medical reps who cannot even speak for a minute in front of a doctor, even when the doctor gives them 2-3 minutes. They hesitate, fumble, or fail to communicate the core product message effectively. This clearly reflects poor confidence, lack of product knowledge, and weak communication skills. A medical rep should be well prepared, knowledgeable, and persuasive. They must know how to initiate a conversation, highlight the product's key benefits, and differentiate it from competitors within the short time given. If a rep lacks confidence and fails to engage the doctor properly, the product, no matter how good, will not gain traction in the market. Regular training, mock presentations, and product knowledge enhancement are essential to improve rep performance. A well-trained rep can influence prescriptions and drive sales growth. Now let's discuss the most crucial point, future leadership. Friends, every successful company has grown because of its people. If you invest in your team today, you are building future leaders who will drive your business expansion, innovation, and market dominance in the years to come. A strong team doesn't just sell products, it builds brands, creates trust, and strengthens long-term relationships with doctors. But how can you develop such a team? By investing in continuous training, motivation, and leadership development. Your team must understand not just the product, but also the customer's mindset, the market dynamics, and how to position your brand effectively. When your team is highly trained and confident, they can even sell an average product successfully, while an untrained team can fail even with an exceptional product. Thanks, friends. Stay tuned for Part 4.